Mega GMs, happy Monday. Welcome back to Inside NFT, giving you the market update in just 5 minutes a day. Can't beat that, right? Not a ton of news this morning. We hit most of it over the weekend, but still stuff to talk about. NFL Rivals has an update. The US Treasury offered new guidance for NFTs and crypto. Yikes, honestly, this one. And we did, in fact, find a 115-week low for sales. Let's get into it. You know where we're starting. Yep, the Forkast 500 NFT index showing that we're actually up this morning, just 0.09%. So the value of the overall NFT market up just a tiny bit. I'd really just call this flat. I'm curious what the day will bring, though. Ethereum down 0.24%. Solana up nicely, though, 0.93%. Polygon down 0.88%. Cardano down 1.18%. So you can see Solana is counterbalancing the rest of the market that is down. Global sales, we finished yesterday under 10 mil at 9.5. Saturday was adjusted down to 9.9, probably with some trades flagged as wash trade. Now, daily sales under 10 mil is not something we see often at all. In fact, the last time we saw sales this low was June 2021, so it's been a minute. Now, like I mentioned in the intro, weekly sales, yeah, we did hit that low point as well, 115-week low, hitting just 81 million in sales on the week. Now, if we peek at the chart, July of this year was actually our low point for the past 2 years. And prior to that, you have to go back to May of 2021. That's the next level, the next threshold that I'm watching for us to fall below. And do I think we will? Yeah, I sure do. It's that next level, that next threshold that I'm not sure we're going to cross. We just have too many buyers and too many people active in this market. But again, that 68 million on May 31st, 2021, yeah, I think we're going to fall lower than that sometime throughout the rest of this calendar year. Now we'll look at the top 10 collections on CryptoSlam, D-Market, Bored Ape, The Rare, Across the Ages, Play NFT, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, DraftKings, Gods Unchained, The Captains, and D-Gods. D-Market taking that top spot with the Counter-Strike Go skins, Team Fortress 2, Dota, and Rust. Pretty damn cool seeing those mass market video games having a presence in NFTs. And look here, Photo Finish. Not a new collection, but I wasn't aware of it. These are Kentucky Derby NFTs. They have PFPs, you bet on horses, they're staking, they have a currency, very much like Zed Run. I'm kind of out of touch with racing. I don't know if there was a race going on or what, but kind of cool to see them pop it off. Next, NFL Rivals is going to allow you to buy and sell NFTs in the game. So we've mentioned here before that the players in the game are cards and cards that can be bought and sold, but previously could only be bought and sold on the mythical marketplace. Well, since Google and Apple have both updated their NFT policy, this opens the door for these NFTs to be traded in-app. Final bit of news here. The US Treasury Department issued new guidance on crypto and NFTs, and it looks like they want KYC to be baked right into your favorite NFT platform. But not just NFTs, they also want that on DeFi platforms. Anyone that has staking, anyone that has crypto, anyone that has stable coins, they want them registered as brokers of digital assets, meaning they need to comply with existing regulations. I'm sure nobody's shocked about this. I'm not, but how do you police something like this? Where at this point, look at contracts on Ethereum. With a click of a button, basically, like on Manifold, you create your own new contract. Well, at some point, we're going to have copy-paste marketplaces, and it just feels like a game of cat and mouse. I don't know how they can keep up with new marketplace after new marketplace after new decks, and how you ultimately stop people from using these decks is if the government's not even aware that they exist. I'll always be looking to use something like that. And look, if not that, then I'll trade directly with my friends. We'll have trustless platforms that let you trade with your buddy, that let you trade with people with high reputations, meaning we won't need these officially registered platforms at some point. All right, well, there's your inside look at the NFT market and at what's happening in this space. I'll be back tomorrow with another market update with the latest happenings from across NFTs. And remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see you.